The Teen Academy is our chance to really gather a group of teens together that are both in Westminster and Arvada. And we really want to show them what the police department does, what we're about, what we do every day.
Driver, walk back, hurts my voice! Keep going, keep going!
Throughout the week, I've been at the Teen Academy, and we've been learning all sorts of stuff from SWAT and CSI and police academy stuff, just kind of everything covering all of law enforcement, which has been really cool and such an amazing experience.
We hear on a regular basis that it's the best week of their summer.
This has been one of the coolest experiences I've ever done. It doesn't matter if you want to go into law enforcement or you don't. I think it is a great life experience and it just teaches you things. This is something really cool just to see what police officers go through on a daily basis.
We try to push them out of their comfort zone. We have to tell them, hey, when do you have to be assertive? When do you have to speak up? When do you have to communicate? You have to communicate with each other as a team. And we really try to just emphasize that throughout the week.
Go in there, shoot him! Hands up! Bang, bang, bang! Bang, 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 bang!
The guys that you hang out with are the school resource officers at Westminster and Arvada, and it is a great group of people. They're fun to interact with, they ask questions, and we all have a very knowledgeable group, so it's a lot of fun.
Now hug this side though. Okay, good. Perfect, and stop.
So what I would tell my friends is definitely do it. Don't overthink it. Although it seems so long, it goes by so quick. And you just have so much fun. They explain it to you and then you do a hands-on activity related to that. So just try it.